guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a Walmart Farmhouse tray. It's actually a really good size. You can use it on your dining table, you can use it on your buffet. It's not really inspired by anything other than the paint stir sticks that I'm going to be using.
And I'll also be sharing a couple more DIYs to go with that farmhouse tray.
If you guys are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Alright, let's get on to the DIY.
So I'll be using a total of 9 giant craft sticks from Walmart, and then also you're going to be using 3 packs of the 3-pack 5-gallon stir sticks. So you guys will see here, I'm using a total of 8 for this tray. They come 3 in a pack for 96 cents from Walmart, which is better than a Dollar Tree deal, of course, 96 cents for 3 of them. And as you guys can see, I'm taking the stir sticks and I'm alternating the ends, and that way it's going to make it nice and even. Then taking 3 of the craft sticks, I'm going to clip the ends of each one and then glue them together, and that's going to be the perfect width to do my ends on here. And I'm just going to use my hot glue to glue everything together.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark fly in the wind. We all look up to our fathers, all our lives if
by gluing the craft sticks on the bottom, it's going to keep the tray nice and sturdy so that you'll be able to put, you know, semi-heavy stuff on there. Not anything too heavy. Either way, I think it'll be just fine. This is such a good sized tray, and I didn't do it, but you guys feel free to add any handles or rope or whatever you want. Now taking this pewter gray and black, just a little bit of the black mixed in there, I'm going to take my baby wipe and just give it a nice stain.
Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Someone pulls an easy trigger.
Before I go on to the next DIY, I want to thank White with Style for sponsoring this video. Anytime my videos are sponsored, I want to let you guys know that this truly helps my channel and it helps me continue doing what I do for myself and for you guys. So using that discount code on the screen and in the description box, you guys will be able to get the Sparkle White Teeth Whitening Kit for $29.99, and you'll also be able to get the kit with the charcoal toothpaste for $38.99. So I got the regular kit, not the one with the charcoal toothpaste. It's really easy to use. It takes about 20 minutes to set up and then 30 minutes to do your first treatment. To make your impressions, you're going to want to bring some water to a boil, let it sit for about 6 minutes to cool down, and then put your impressions in there for about 10 seconds. Not too long because you don't want them to like fall apart, just until they get nice and soft. So you're going to want to take them out and then carefully, without burning yourself, put them in your mouth, and then just try to suck out all the air that you can and press them against your teeth, and that's going to make that impression. Then after that, you drop them in a little bit of cool water, take them out, cut off the little flaps there at the front, and put in your teeth whitening gel. You don't need very much, just like a little drop in each tooth impression, and put them in your mouth, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. Alright, so we're going to leave them in there for no longer than 30 minutes. Do your thing while you're doing your thing, or while I'm doing my thing. Make sure you guys check out that discount code in the description box. You guys head on over there to get your teeth whitening system.
And then we're good to go. Alright, let's get on to the DIY.
So for the next 2 DIYs, I'll be using one of these Dollar Tree mop heads, and these are like microfiber. I don't know what it is, but it is really soft. And I love the white and gray colors together. I was not able to take this thing apart, so I'm just trying to pull the strands out, and they do come out in 2 long pieces. Now taking one of these Dollar Tree baskets, I'm just going to go ahead and glue the strand of the mop thing all the way around. And I guess you guys could use whatever you want, yarn, row, but I feel like this is just a little bit of a different look than what I've seen. And I was trying to figure out how I was going to glue this on here, so I'm just going to take my little finger protective thing because I know I'm going to be pressing on this a lot and I don't want to burn myself. Again, these come in a pack of 3 at Dollar Tree. I'm talking about the finger protective things. Anyways, just adding some hot glue. I'm just going to glue this all the way around. For this next one, I'm going to take some Dollar Tree wooden blocks, and I did 4 sections with 3 of the blocks together. And as you can see, I kind of flipped them around, so some are horizontal, some are vertical, and I'm going to glue those together to make a square. And there's a total of, how many are here? 3, 6, 9, 12. So a total of 12 blocks. And I'm going to use that same pewter gray and then water it down a little bit and use it as a stain for my little block here. And you guys can make as many of these candle holders that you'd like. I'm only just going to make one for the video because I probably will repurpose this, but I think it's such a nice color and it matches perfectly with that tray.
Where nothing makes sense anymore.
I'm going to take this fragrance warmer from a Dollar Tree and I'm going to glue that wooden block on top of it. And then taking the leftover mop head, I'm going to wrap the fragrance warmer. And actually, there's still going to be about half of the mop head left over. I don't know if I already said that. If I did, I'm saying it again. Once you get to that middle section of the candle holder, make sure you do put some hot glue on there just so that it doesn't shift around or move around. And then just continue all the way to the bottom and continue adding glue so that it stays still. I think this looks so pretty and I love just how much of a match it makes with the tray and then also with the basket. And you guys, I always tell you, you don't have to break the bank to make nice things. Literally a Dollar Tree mop. Like, hello. It is so cute.
Balancing on a weary line, too scared to trust you and jump down. I'll keep my status quo up here, won't let anybody come near. I'll fix it on my own. 29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame. But how long can I keep up the pace? To fool myself I don't need grace. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness around me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go. Why it's so hard to let go.
Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for today. Thank you guys again so much for joining me. I would love it if you guys gave me a thumbs up on this video. It really helps out my channel. Leave me your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
29 years I've been the same, trying so hard to run from shame. And I will not keep up the pace. To fool myself I don't need